Hello student, Hemant Sir is here. Today we are going to understand about the various sources of water in detail. So in last video, we have already discussed about what are the main sources of water. And we have gone through about the two main sources. One is called surface water and other is called as underground water. Okay? Yes. So let's discuss both one by one. Is the surface water. So what are surface water? Like we have river, we have lake, we have pond, we have like dam, we have ocean. All these are the water which are water sources which are present on the surface of the earth. That's why they are called as the surface water. Whereas the water which is present under the ground are called as underground water, or it is also called as groundwater. Okay, so we have to discuss this from the slides. Okay. So this is the slide that we have discussed in last class. So let's discuss in a short. Okay. So what are the sources of water? We had two main sources of water. One is called surface water that we already discussed and underground water. And we have also discussed about the aquifers. What are aquifers? Aquifers is a groundwater lies under the surface of the land where it travels through the fields opening in the rocks. Okay, that water is called as beta aquifers. Okay, so this is the diagram which shows like sources of water also and the water which is present underground. Okay, so this is the stream. If you can observe over here, I am just highlighting that. Okay, this is nothing but the aquifers, okay, which is present on inside the earth, or we can say under the different layer of the earth, and it flows from one place to another. Okay, that is nothing but the aquifers. Okay, so let's discuss the next slide where we will discuss all like the sources of water in detail. Okay, so if you have not taken screenshot yet, so do take a screenshot and write it down on your notebook, beta. You will get all the answers from your questions from here. Okay? Yes. Okay. So what are the types of surface water? Okay. So we have the river, streams, lakes and ponds, wetlands, etc. These are the surface water sources. Okay. So the rivers and stream have the water which is the moving or the fast moving water, which is like cold and highly oxygenated. Okay, guys, you have to remember it is the characteristic feature. It is the cold and highly oxygenated, and insect larvae through the long narrow plants, algae, they easily grow in a water of rivers and streams. But in lake water it is really the slow moving, or it is the stagnant water. It is not flowing. Okay, it is becomes like warm as compared to the river, and it is the less oxygenated. Okay, and like bass, catfish, like cattles, okay, leech, they generally develops in the stagnant water. Okay, now what about the wetland? Wetland are nothing but the covered, that particular part of the land which is covered with the water most of the time. Okay, most of the year, the part of land which is covered by the water, it is called as beta wetland. Okay, they absorb the water, and that water flow like percolate inside the surface also of the earth. Okay, it filters the pollutants and sediments in it and provides breeding ground for the water bird, shellfish, okay, etc. Yes. So this is all about the surface water and its characteristics feature. Now we will discuss about the underground water. Okay. So what is underground water basically? So the water which present under the ground, under the earth surface, is called as beta underground water. So the groundwater is the water that flows and pools underground in an area called the underground zone. It develops and flows there only. In this area, water fills all the air space in the soil and the rocks. Okay, they appears part of the groundwater zone, is called as water table. Okay, and we have already discussed about the aquifer is the reservoir or the large pool of water that forms the underground water. Okay, so again I want you to take a screenshot for that. So student, this is the end of today's video. Okay, so we will meet in next class. Bye for now.